Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 24th match in round 1 and the scores are Calabar high on 30, Yallahs high on 2. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. As our first question comes from Bible knowledge. What did Cain name the city that he, Calabar?
Enos.
No, Enoch. Biology. To which subphylum of the arthropods do krill, shrimp, and crayfish belong? Calabar.
Decapoda.
Incorrect. Crustacea. English language. Form of verb from noble. Ennoble. Local affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Lascelles chin. Chemistry. The most common compound of the element boron is used in many household and personal health applications. Give its name and chemical formula. Boric acid formula and H3BO3. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
I knew that I would not.
That was Mr. James Brown. General knowledge. In which dance does an individual pass under a low pole? Calabar.
Quadrille.
Incorrect. Limbo. Spanish. What is the Spanish for a donkey? Calabar.
Un burro.
Correct. Geography. What is the approximate size of the nation of Mongolia to the nearest 1,000 square kilometers? $1,566,000 square kilometers. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this individual, please. Rosario Dawson. Information technology. What is used to speed up the key search in a file? Indexed file. History. What was the name of the Japanese special attack units who loaded their planes with explosives and crashed them into Allied Calabar?
Kamikaze.
Correct. Mathematics. What number should be added to the expression x2 plus 36x in order to obtain a perfect square? X squared, rather. X squared plus 36x. Calabar?
No. 324.
That is correct. Physics. Name the French mathematical physicist who first opposed the revolutionary idea that any arbitrary waveform can be constructed from an infinite series of sine waves. Jean-Baptiste Joseph Fourier. Sports, a visual one. Please look at the monitor. Identify this person. Calabar.
Veronica Campbell-Brown.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In which parish is the National Heritage Site headquarters? Calabar.
Kingston.
Yes, headquarters house located. French, translate to English. À quelle heure tu te lèves? Calabar.
What time do you bathe? What time do you bathe?
What time do you bathe?
No, what time do you wake up? Literature. In what country was the author Derek Walcott born? Calabar.
St. Lucia.
Correct. Art. Which Jamaican artist created the Bob Marley Memorial Sculpture in 1982? Calabar.
Christopher Gonzalez.
Correct. Bible knowledge. What was the new name given to Daniel while in Calabar?
Belteshazzar.
Yes, while in captivity. Biology. Which adjective means relating to or denoting a person? And that sounds like the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of our match. The scores are Calabar high on 38, Yallahs high on 2. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.